Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? What's going on? Krasdang here, and it is time for some game dev. Here we go. Happy Friday. It always is a good day when it's Friday, isn't it? Always a good day. So, let's get rocking. Let's get working. Let's do stuff. We have some new art to put in, if I remember correctly. Take a look. Maybe not. Nope. Just kidding. Okay, so no, I don't have any art to put in. Okay. So what we can do instead, we need to let's see. So, the first thing that we have to do today, according to Asana, we have this animation that we want to have on realms, right? At least on the unseen realm, we want it to look pretty and move around. Where is? In these realms, there's a animation, right? On the realm, we have an animator, and so we will make sure we just turn the animator on and off in the realm. See here. That's just going to be reference. So maybe here, animator, realm animations, animator. There we go. And then what we need to do is we start the game with it on. Right? Starts the game on, and then when we change the realm off of unseen, this has to go off. Right? Come on, finish compiling. Let's go. How are we on? Okay. So update realm or whatever it's called, right? Update realm art. Initial realm equals true. No realm info. When do I even have this? Oh, it's by default true. Okay. When we update realm art, right? We literally do if current realm dot our name is not equal to, then realm animator dot enable equals false. Oh, okay, here we go. There we go. That should work. And then I can have it on by default when you finish compiling. Realm. Animator. Which guy? Alright. That way it should actually be able to be on. Let's try it. Save. Okay. Let's see what happens. Shall we? Maybe we shall. Oh, it's moving. Oh, it's sick. Look at that. Dig that so much. That's awesome. Beggar woman. Grumpy Game Dad with the raid. What is up, Mr. GGD? How you doing? Good to see you. Ohio to you too. Right, Captain Coder, what's up, dude? Guys, if you don't already know the Grumpy Game Dev, either you live under a rock or you just don't like to watch cool people do cool things. But you've got to give him a follow if you haven't already. He's a super cool dude. Shout out. Can this cooperate, please? Shout out. Goodness. There we go. All better. Woo! What's up, man? What's new? We're currently... So we added a new animated realm, which looks pretty cool. The Captain Coder's jam now on a different jam. I didn't know he had a jam. My bad for not knowing that. Captain Coder, thanks for the follow, buddy. Much appreciated. Let's run the back out. That's not good. Yeah, found another toad. Can we win this game? I don't even know at this point. What jam are you doing now? We're gonna... Oh, we're totally gonna zap everybody on this side with the Dark Omen, and then we can now mouse it after. We'll play the fox on here. Rat, down with the toad. Zap. Okay. Retrograde jam. It looks fantastic. Tell me more about what I'm seeing. Sure thing. World of Grimm is a classic digital collectible card game built in the Brothers Grimm world. Every single character in the game is from a Brothers Grimm story, including every realm in the game as well. The game is 6 turns long. You're about to see the last turn. There are 3 locations that exist. Each location does something different. This one has on-play card effects triggered twice, and every card has its own ability. So I'm about to play the giant on this side and get 2 giants here to win the game. So it's just public domain? It is public domain, that's right. Darn tootin'. And did I win? Yes. So then the cards level up, and then you go to a collectible screen, and your collectible screen levels up, and you unlock new cards. That's the collectible card game part of it. Completely free to play. The game will have a premium currency, and the premium currency is to unlock skins for these cards. They look a little bit like... Look at me like misclicking stuff. They look a little bit like this. So, like, for instance, there are cards that exist that are pixel art versions of the characters. There are... let's see. There's a guy that we have, Maximino, who's an amazing artist. So that's his version of Ungrateful Son. We have, for Cinderella, there's the regular Cinderella, and then we have this version of Cinderella, which is gorgeous. Rapunzel's got a few, right? So we got regular Rapunzel. Vanity upsells, yes. We got regular Rapunzel. We've got this. We got this Rapunzel. We've got the pixel art Rapunzel, and then we've got the biker Rapunzel, who's on a much bigger piece. The piece needs to. I have to figure out how to not shrink the size of that piece. But yeah. So you can actually check us out on Kickstarter, and there is a Steam page for you to wishlist now as well. Let's see, what else? Rapunzel on motorcycle, because you didn't know you needed it. Exactly. Backing the Kickstarter will get you all 4 of the Kickstarter variants. It'll be Snow White. They're all the biker versions of Snow White, the Big Bad Wolf, Rapunzel, and Corpse Bride. I like Corpse Bride one a lot. I think it's really cool. The style is great. Yeah, so that's just hot. Hot. So like the wolf looks like this, right? That's the wolf. Then we also have this, the forest version of the wolf. And then we also have the pixel art version of the wolf. When does the Kickstarter launch? We are in the middle of waiting for the trailer to be finished. When the trailer's finished, we launch the Kickstarter. So looking at beginning of next month. Like about next week, probably. Thank you so much. Much appreciated that. The, for doing lurking, sounds good. Thanks for the raid as always. I like the big bad wolf. I think he looks sick. There's a mechanic in the game called shifting. So there's time shift, dusk shift, and dawn shift. They change the game to daytime and nighttime. So there are cards like the wolf that he changes the game to night. So other cards that are stronger at night are stronger at night. We also have we have another keyword called Fury in the game. And Fury is a keyword that when something gets hurt, so when your character gets hurt in any form, their ability happens. So if Iron Hans gets hurt, it increases his attack power equal to damage taken, right? We also have cards that discard cards, so there's an entire discard, basically an entire discard deck you can build out of this. We have destroy cards, draw cards to destroy things. I didn't think this card was a destroy card. Odd. But yeah, we have cards that destroy things. We have cards that when you type shift, these are all the cards that you can build through dusk shift and dawn shift style decks. So we've got a lot of stuff. It's about 140 cards in the game now, 145. I think we want to have 150 by the time the Kickstarter goes live. But we have 7 artists on the team, and they're all remaking art for the game because some of it was Mid-Journey. So my prototype style is Mid-Journey. I don't use just programmer art. I have it at least look decent, right? So we can go in and remake characters to, we just got steampunk variants. So we have Piff Paff Poultry and Steampunk. What's up, Winter Coding? How you doing? Good to see you, bud. Piff Paff. Piff. I was the only one for Piff Paff. Okay, it's Steampunk. There you go. We also have the Pied Piper in Steampunk, which looks really cool. What's up, Chris? How you doing? Back in the Kickstarter, we'll give you cosmetic gems that you can then use to buy variants in the game. We're also going to have an arena mode where you draft a deck of 20 cards. You get to pick 14 of those cards, similar to how Magic Sealed works, and then play until you lose 3 times. If you win 7 times, then you win the most rewards out of it. Maybe you'll get a card variant or something like that. I'm good, man. All right, Chris. We officially sent the trailer footage to the cinematic guy, so he's starting to work on the trailer now. Okay, so love games like this. Looking forward to it. Hey, appreciate that, man. Working on a game in Rust. It's definitely an interesting experience. Hope everything is done well with the development of World of Grimm. Dude, it's rocking, man. We are trying. We just got this working. Take a look at this. The Unseen Realms are now animated. So now when you're waiting for the next realm to appear, they have these swirling animation thing going on. That's sick, right? Is that not so sick? So there's this swirling vortex inside here, waiting to be played. So we're gonna actually end up having. Eventually, we're gonna have all of these be animated. So Pretty stoked about it. Alright, so what do we have to do next? So we got the animated realms are in. I don't want the animated realm to start dark. Notice that it is darker. Is it that? Is that what it was? I don't actually know. Let me see. Let me see. No, it's definitely darker. Realm 2. Okay. It is darker. It's like a weird, it's not a... Huh. Okay. This has to start... I just want it to always be white. Do color white. Realm art, color black. Fade to white. Alright. There we go. Realm is animated. So now it is no longer darker. Gotta record patch notes, guys. Sorry. Water striker. Okay. Yeah, it's better. Tallest tower looks so good. Our realm artist is amazing. It literally is amazing. Right. So, what's next? Okay, so we have an issue with sort order in the area down here. That is because the cards, when they are played, let me just take a look at that. I'm pretty sure I can fix this really quick. I just gotta get the labels on the right layer, which would be based on a card template, which is here. And it's the quick description needs to be on the right layer. Why? Can I literally change this to a new layer and just go UI and then I go this UI labels? Is that gonna work? I don't know if that actually does anything. Labels? It might work. Okay. If that does work, even cooler, right? The dust shouldn't be down here. This should be up here. That's odd. All right, dust and labels. Update. Okay. Okay. That's good so far. Another card that does something next to it. Basically. That's not right. But it should be above it. It should always be higher. Okay. No, not right. Yeah, realms 1. Opponent, visibility, cards, beggar woman. Card template, quick description. UI labels, Dark Omen. Okay. Now if I were to go here and go canvas, right, and override sorting and go above it, I don't know, 300. Then we're fixed. Got it. That's how you gotta do it. Makes sense. What is the current sorting? The current sorting is 0. I think it's okay. So we're just gonna sort it like 300. Should be okay. Canvas override 300. Save. Template override and 300. Save. Cool. Alright guys, give me 1 second. Let me go check something real fast. Be right back. Alright, we're back. Sorry. Okay, so... Alright, so that's what's going on there. We need to... Is there anything in particular up here that I haven't done? Oh, let's create the way to discard the visual discard for the cards. Discard visuals. It's like a little animation that... Oh, actually, you know what? Can I make cards slide to where they need to slide instead? Let's say they probably can't do that. Also, I need to make sure that I have the override. Hold on. Having some weird layering issues, for sure. I know I'm having layering problems. Oh, Realmquake. Oh, invoke destructions? You start with 0 cards in your deck? Bummer. Okay. Beetle Cave. Beetle. Why is that off? Like, at rest, right? At rest, we're wrong. Even though it's under it. Air slots. Air visibility. Okay. It's like this and this. Okay. 0. Okay. So That's both 0 for the override sorting. If I turn override sorting off, it's not working. Looks weird. Right? So what we need to do is we need to override the sorting because this clone needs to be like that. So it needs to actually... Okay. After the card gets flipped, I got this. So flip card. The end of flipping the card. Okay. We do template dot get component canvas. Canvas dot sorting layer ID equals this dot transform get sibling index. There we go. That should resolve all of the issues. Put that there. Put that in here. Have it work no matter what. Alright, so match. It should work. That gets the card draw. Kind. Okay. That and that did not update you, but really, why have you not updated? Cursing the land. The family has been cursed. Okay. Why are you being a butthole? Why have you not updated your sorting? You didn't. Template. Dot canvas sorting layer ID. What? Do I have to do it in the beginning here? Probably. Doesn't make it. I have a feeling that there's an issue there somehow. This is inside the flip. Okay. Take that out of there and I sort it over here instead. Maybe problem solved. Where's the other one at? Okay, I just did that. Okay. That might make that better. We will see. A weird issue. But it's an issue. But it's an issue. You know it is an issue. I was doing. I had forgotten what I was doing. The fox. We should need to change the name of the fox. I keep forgetting about that. He's now Red Fox. Strange village. Oh no. Wait, it didn't swap anything. It swapped one card. I'm confused. He's broken. Why? Why was set health wrong? Oh, because it can't lose health. Wait, what? I am so confused. Okay. No. Be correct. Dang it. Be correct. All I'm asking is that your sort order cooperates. Template. No! You should be 2. What is this jungleness? This jankiness going on about this? Why? I'm so confused. Also, random error. So it's not that. So it wasn't the flip card area. Okay. Should be update game board? Perhaps. Perhaps it should be update game board. All POIs, all cards played this game. Update display. Okay, update display. Canvas sorting area ID. Transform gets simply indexed. That makes sense. That makes the most sense to me. Hey, Penny. You wanna come up? Okay. Hello. You wanna watch the game? Good kitty cat. This. Oh, that one. So that should effectively create the cooperation between these 2 cards. Please cooperate. Mind meld. Template. 0. So annoying. Why is it not setting it? Burning pretty hard right now, kitty cat. No, not sorry that's a bug. Stop it. Exactly. Actually, debugger. Interesting. Why are you not cooperating? Mwah. Well, it's a good kitty cat. Okay. Okay. Canvas template. Canvas sorting layer ID. It's Sibley index. I'm confused. Can you get off my nipple? Good kitty. Really, what cat lets you rub her like this? It's like a dog. Living the good life. You wanna go over here? Okay, why is that wrong? Transform. Base. Child count 2. That's normal. Parent, cards. Parent has how many cards? Parent has 3 cards. I'm not sure I understand. Like, why didn't you get changed to the number? right? If I go like this, if I go debug.log, can I like, there we go, get some IntelliSense up in here? Sorting layer. Okay. Okay. Try this again. Try this again. Wait, why is it not cooperating? Sorting layer equals 2. So 0, 1, 2. So it is giving me a sorting layer number, isn't it? 0, 1, 2, 3. Like, it's working. Okay, I only want this sorting layer to happen. Okay, so I'll display if game manager.current scene, the current state equals in game and is locked. Then do this stuff. There we go. Okay. Sorting layer 0. A bunch of sorting layer 0s. That's not how that works. They are not layer 0. They are freaking layer 1, man. Not how that works at all. Layer 0. Layer 1. Layer 1 and 2. So you are getting a number out of this, aren't you? Okay. Okay. So template you can put in a canvas. Why is it so if it is giving me this number, int id equals this guy, and we want to change this to ID, right? I don't see an issue with this. That's the weird part. The weird part is I don't see any problems at all. Right? This, let the visibility inside cards, right? Play our first card. Fox. What does the fox say? Okay. Our next card. It says 0, but now it says 1. So if it says 1, it needs to update itself to 1. This should say 1. Can I not change the sorting layer ID here? What am I not changing right? Canvas, sorting layer. Not sorting layer ID? Am I doing the wrong? Am I sorting the wrong area? Is it layer channels? No. I don't think it's layer channels. I don't think it's shader channels. I think it's Pied Piper template. No, it's not that. Something's not updating. And I'm not sure why. Is it because I have the sort order being set somewhere else? Maybe. Blocker canvas, root canvas. Down canvas. Canvas, 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 canvas. No. So weird. Like, this should be doing this. Canvas. C.layer ID. Okay. Can I do if C.override? Then sorting layer ID. Can we make sure that it's going to work? It's got to be that way. Have to do with the card have its own sorting ID? Right? Like, I don't. Does the card have its own thing? Chance that I'm doing this in more than one spot. That's why it's not cooperating. Not player hand. Realms. Realm 2. Player. Fox. No, not the fox. That's for sure. Okay, let's go like this. I'm so confused why that's not updating. This should say 1. So odd. Something stopping it? There has to be something stopping it, right? You would think. You would think there was a thing stopping it, but I don't think there is. Right, that's so weird. There's nothing that says it's not that this shouldn't work. Right, like you should be 2, which makes more sense. If I turn override sorting off for all of them, does it just work? It does just work. Then I can't click on them. Okay, hold on. Let me turn off override sorting for now. Just out of curiosity. You're telling me that this is just going to work. And I can probably just put layers for everything. Then. I just can't click on anything now. Eh. Okay. Now, if that doesn't work, if I can't click on anything, that means there it is behind. Here's the override sorting for the realms. And the player's hand is negative 100. The player's hand is negative 90. Now okay. I'm gonna figure this out, guys. If it kills me, I'll figure it out. Okay. Okay, so now you're basically telling me that this will cooperate. And it will be behind, the realm will be behind the fancy. I can still, can't click on this now though. And that's because, let me see what happens. Let's see if it overrides. What's up, Zevix? How you doing, buddy? Good to see you. Oh, it looks much better. Oh. Much better. That's good. So, okay, so if I need to do this through, instead of overriding the sorting, if I set this to different layers in the UI, we should be okay. Right? Like if I set this to UI hand, can I? No. I don't want that. I want sorting layers. But I have to figure out how to do sorting layers in UI. Sorting layer. How do I give a layer? How do I give a sorting layer to UI? Can I do that? Assuming I cannot. Dev going this morning? It's going good. Struggling with a couple things. We realized that override sorting cannot be changed in play mode. That's new for UI stuff. So we're going through and we're gonna re-sort everything. My kids are awake. You know what that means. Time for me to get going. Thanks for hanging out today, guys. Much appreciated. Sorry for the barking. Captain Dakota, thanks for the follow. Grubby in there, thanks for the raid. Let's go raid somebody. If you're not already following us on Kickstarter, hit that button on Kickstarter. Hit that notify button. We're pretty stoked for it. It's gonna be going. Your timing is impeccable. Hey, kids wake up and we don't even know when they're gonna wake up. It's just how it works, man. Here comes all the dogs. Everyone's ready to do stuff. Let's see who's live. Who can we go and raid today? Yeah. Let's go raid Hello Comics, who's working on Super Console Kid. Super awesome dude. Love this guy. Here's the raid message. Grab it, toss it in his channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Catch you tomorrow. Peace out.